Hi and hello to you that is watching this video. This is first episode of me making my DIY Barbie dollhouse. As you can see, I've already started with it. Made all little rooms. But in this video, I'm not going to show you all the rooms now. This is just an introduction video that it's the first time I ever do something like this. But I thought maybe I need to do something like this because I'm very proud of what I've accomplished so far, and I it's very therapeutic for me because I've got a bit of health issues. But yeah, you will. So this is not your ordinary DIY typical dollhouse video. In this videos, you're going to learn more about me because I think I need it for my new journey that I'm on, and I just wanted to show you that what I've done so far because there's so many of these videos on YouTube, and I thought, well, why not me as well? You must just excuse my accent. I'm from South Africa, a beautiful country, and I'm actually Afrikaans. My husband, although he's English, but I'm actually Afrikaans. Okay, I was a English teacher in a school for the little ones, but due to my health issues, I had to stop working. So I'm actually on early retirement now. So, like in this video, I'm just going to show you my hobby room for now, and maybe next time, next time I'm going to start with the first room, which is my living room. I will start there and show you the room there. This is this is all the stuff that I'm using. Just make it neat for now. I actually thought about making videos while I'm doing like all the other DIY videos while I'm making the stuff, but I'm a very messy worker, so it's always a mess around me. And so I thought to myself that won't look good on any videos. So because everyone always I saw the videos, it's also always so neat around them. I can't believe that I can work so neat. Although I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and well, my children say I'm OCD. I don't believe that, but no, actually I am OCD. I know I am OCD, but maybe not quite at the extent that they think I am. But but when I work. I have one track mind and I just want to finish this project I'm busy with, and then after the project is finished, then I clean up everything and I start with the next project. So that is why my hobby room is clean now, because I was finished with my project, which was the bedroom, the last one for now. So yeah, like I said, this is my hobby room. Yeah, and I was actually thinking of starting off this new project of mine. It's this diamond dotting that everyone is so crazy about. Well, yeah, by us now, and I made a few already for other rooms in my house, but you can only make so much. But then I found this one, the Harley Davidson, and it looks like mine, my 48 Sportster. Yes, I've got a motorcycle. Me and my husband both got motorcycles. He's got a Super Tour, and I've got my little Harley. And so yeah, I'm actually so excited. I can't wait to start making this. But now I'm busy with my videos that I make, and I think I'm going to go on with the Barbie house and maybe just do another, maybe for in the winter time, because it's no summer here by us. You see, that's why I say I'm a messy worker. Look at my cutting board, it's terrible. I really need to buy me a new one, because this one is not level anymore, and it's full of glue and paint and everything. So yeah, that's why I say I'm a messy worker. I mean, even my glue gun is so dirty, and yeah, you can't clean a glue gun, really, you can't. But yeah, so I'm working with. Oh, and then I found this little tool that I'm actually so happy I found it. I saw it on YouTube videos. That's where I get all my inspirations on YouTube, and Pinterest. I can't pronounce that name, but I think you know what I'm talking about. Pinterest and YouTube. I get all my inspiration there, and most of my ideas from there. And So yeah, that's why I started this. But then I saw they use this little tool for cutting corners, 45-degree corners. And I was looking everywhere for this, and yeah, by us, and I couldn't find it. I even looked online, but well, online I had to buy it in dollars, and well, the dollar to the rand to the dollar is not so good here by us, so it was actually very expensive, so I leave it. And then you wouldn't believe, well, I was looking about over a year for this, and then I found it in a Chinese shop in my hometown. I couldn't believe when I saw it, and then I had to buy it. And yeah, it helps you to cut precise 45-degree corners, like where I use for the windows and all that. So I'm so happy I found this little tool. And yeah, oh yeah, this is my husband's side cutter. He's not going to be so happy when he will look for it, and it's between my stuff, but it's just I use this for cutting wires, like for when I use in the bathrooms for taps and for the curtain rails and all that. I've got my own little, here's my own, but it's too small. It doesn't cut the wires, so yeah, this one. But luckily he's not a DIY husband, so he's not going to look for it. So in the near future, I think. This is my spray booth. And yeah, my Coke. I am addicted to Coke, so I always have Coke. This is my little spray booth I made just out of cardboard box here to use. I know it's not good to spray inside the house, but for me it's much easier and to go outside every time for a little small thing you going to spray. And then so I know my dogs don't like the smell. So every time I shake the can, someone know, oh, the smell is coming, and they run out. They my two little shadows, and then when I start spraying, they just run. They don't like the smell. But yeah, it's just easier for me to do it inside the house than go outside every time. It's my cupboard with all my stuff in. Like I said, I'm very odd. I like crafting. I like working with my hands. I'm always busy. I can't just sit around and do nothing. So yeah, I even do my own, and I'm in desperate need of doing my nails. It's time for that, but yeah, I'm not in the mood now for that. But this is all my stuff for my nail art and my nail that I use for my nails. But this, oh yeah, I must clean up here. But I'm so busy with this dollhouse now, I don't think of anything else. I even make my own jewelry. This is all my beads that I use to make my jewelry. This is some of my jewelry that I made, but this one clasp broken, so I have to fix it. So yeah, like I said, I make my own jewelry. Even I get the stages. Now I'm in the mood for making jewelry, and then I'm in the mood for knitting or crocheting or sewing work. Well, I love it as well. These are all my machines, but the last thing I made on machines was masks for my family, and now I'm so tired of making masks. It's not true. So yeah, that is all my, and this all my stuff. Oh, this is another project I want to make. It's like a little cupboard I'm going to make with little drawers out of milk carton boxes that I'm just going to cut up and up. I'm going to paste it over with sticky paper or something, and it's like I'm going to put all my ribbons and my buttons and all that stuff you need, bias binding and elastic band or whatever. I'm going to put in a drawer. So I'm going to make a little drawers you can pull out. So yeah, this is all the stuff I'm using for the dollhouse that I'm busy, and all the sponges that I use to make the mattresses and for the pillows and all that stuff. Underneath, this is all the clear plastics that I found, that I can use for the windows, and that on. Somebody like this, when you buy cake at a bakery or something, the clear plastic that come in, I cut that out and I use that for my windows. But yeah, there's all my patterns. This is something interesting. My dad made this for me actually. It's something that I used. I saw it somewhere, and my dad made it out of some more society kebab sticks to put all my squares, like my granny squares. When I knitting granny squares, they always must curl up, and so I put my granny squares in here on top of each other, so that to make it real square and flat when I'm crocheting. So I made blankets and with that. Hello, hello, Mama Papa's a Babiki. Hello, hello, Babikis. This is my two shadows. Everywhere I go, they go. My little two shadows. So, oh, yeah, this is another project I'm busy with. It's Tunisian crochet. I'm busy making a pillowcase for one of my rooms. So yeah, I'm busy with a lot of things at once. Actually, when I met my mother-in-law about 17, 18 years ago, I talked to her about my hobbies, and I talked about croquet. I love doing croquet, and she couldn't understand what is croquet, and I couldn't understand why doesn't she know what is croquet. And I explained to her what is croquet. She said, "Oh, crochet." So yeah, I forever and always I call it. Well, in Afrikaans it's hekel, so I always call it croquet in English because like you spelled it, croquet. And then yeah, my mother-in-law helped me correctly and said, no, it's actually crochet, not croquet. So yeah, I'm busy making this pillowcase now. So this is, like I said, an introduction video, my first video I'm making. And then in the next video, I will show you a bit more about the house and explain to you how I made what I use and how I made it. So you must excuse me. It's my first time I'm doing this. Life holds special magic for those who dare to dream. So never stop dreaming. Until next time, bye.